Congratulations, Aman. What was your target?
Thank you so much. My target was CLB 9.
CLB 9, and your current score is?
CLB 10, I got 90 each.
Yeah, it's 90 each. So अमन थोड़ा सा अपनी स्ट्रैटेजीज के बारे में बताओ, हर एक मॉड्यूल के अंदर आपने क्या क्या चीज़ें फॉलो की एंड कैसे कैसे प्रैक्टिस करते थे आप डेली बेसिस पे, लाइक स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्पीकिंग मॉड्यूल.
Okay, for speaking, I didn't practice that much because my target was CLB 9. So, as you mentioned in the class, like we can go for either one line strategy or like a speaking full. But I was doing full, speaking full, like read aloud, so that I can get my target score. I was like doing on daily basis, speaking maybe just like 5 minutes or doing a full mock test in once or twice a week.
ठीक है. So in read alouds you read the full paragraphs or did you go with
Yes,
one line? You read full.
I read full
Okay.
paragraphs.
Okay. And then repeat sentences. So repeat का level क्या था एग्जाम के अंदर? And were you able to pick the entire sentence or like from in between?
Okay. In my exam, I think I pick up the full sentence. It was short. It was not that difficult. So it was just like short sentences, maybe like 8 to 10 words.
ठीक है. And sentences का level कैसे था? Were they difficult या they were easy to comprehend?
I think for me, it was like really easy based like on daily basis. You can say like daily conversation or as we like whatever we practice in the class. So it was like a same level, little bit easier, I would say.
ठीक है. Then describe image. Did you follow templates or did you read on
Oh
your own?
yeah. Describe him as I follow the template and I got maybe like three describe image. So two of them was like bar graph and the last one was a picture. So
So
that I find it quite like a little bit difficult, but I managed that one.
ठीक है. So for both you followed different templates. The one that was given.
Yes, that you given in the class for image and for the bar graph. So I just follow the template.
Okay. Then and respond to a situation.
That was also like as you told us in the class, that was like really simple way to handle that question. So I followed that.
So what did you do exactly? You read the entire paragraph 2 to 3 times, I guess.
Yes, I have read out the all the paragraph, all the lines where they're just changing the subject as you mentioned in the class. So
ठीक है. Then for summarize written में आपने क्या क्या किया था?
summarize written is like I would say like really easy as you provide us the strategies how to tackle each question. So we have to just like type it. I would say if your typing speed is quite good,
Hmm.
then it's good to do that.
So you combine 2 3 lines basically using connectors. बीच में and वगैरह use किया
Yeah.
आपने, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And for emails, did you got any repeated emails or were they all new?
No, everything was like a repeated one. I checked the emails that you have provided as a sample answer. So
Hmm.
both of the emails are from them. So I don't remember exactly which one was that, but it was from that. And I follow
ठीक
the
है.
template. So I would say like with the template, it's really easy. So you can just like maximize your time. So you don't have to think and just waste your time.
ठीक है. That's good. Then reading module, I think reading PT कोड में वैसे भी काफ़ी easy होता है. But आपने कैसे prepare किया? आप कहाँ से questions follow करते थे for reading?
रीडिंग जो क्लास में करा था उस पे तो करा ही था लाइक डेली बेसिस पे जो आप बताते सॉल्व करते थे अपार्ट
Hmm.
फ्रॉम दैट I did practice from like Alpha PT,
Okay.
and I was like solving every day, maybe like 10 to 15.
For
And
reading and
as you said, like reading, writing, or fill in the blank. So I was doing like maybe I have covered almost 200, 300. So I did practice for that.
for reading and writing mainly. ठीक है.
Yes.
And the other parts like reorder paragraph, were they easy in the exam?
It was okay, not so difficult. Like you can get it if you can like really practice, then you can really get it. It was like okay, kind of thing, not too easy or not too tough.
Okay, so did you practice reorder as well?
Yes, I did practice, but mostly I practice for reading, writing, fill in the
ठीक है.
blanks.
And what about the MCQs?
MCQ was easy. It's
Uh,
like quite straightforward, so you have to just like pay attention to it.
so, did you solve the first one, the multiple choice question?
Yes, I did. But I just choose like for the safer option, like the multiple choice question, I just select only
You
one.
selected one basically. You ignored the
Yeah.
statement and selected any random option, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Then in summarize spoken text, how did you go about it? Like, did you pick phrases or did you use keywords? What was your method?
So I use the keywords, mostly the nouns, as you said,
Hmm.
like you give us the like template quite like how to use the template. So I just use that one. I pick up the keywords, so that's more easier to combine.
And कितने questions आए थे आपके पास summarize में?
Summarize just one.
ठीक है. Then listening के जो
Yeah.
MCQs होते हैं, obviously you can't skip the audio. So did you prepare notes और उसको solve किया था आपने या सिर्फ random select किए थे MCQs?
MCQ, I just like listen to it and then I just select what I was sure about, like if this option is correct,
Hmm.
then I just like, yeah. I
Yeah.
didn't pay like too much time on that, so
ठीक है. Then blanks and highlight incorrect. I think listening के बाकी parts काफ़ी easy होते हैं, but you need to
yeah,
maintain
just
almost
like
100%
yeah,
accuracy in order to score CLB
right.
9 or higher. Yeah. So did you add any extra words in dictation as suggested?
Yes, I put all the possible options in that just to be on the safer side, like whatever is spelling. If I had a doubt in the spelling, so I put like
हाँ.
two, three options.
ठीक है. That's good. So mainly problem templates वगैरह की होती है that you have already explained.
Yes, you have to just follow
Yeah.
the template and the right strategies.
Right. Right. So Aman, how was your overall experience of the classes and the feedbacks?
Overall, it was really great. Like as you were like taught through us the class, so it was like 2 hours class, and you paid attention to every student. So that I really like about your classes. Like even if there are
ठीक है.
like more students, but you paid attention to each and every student and asked the questions if they have any doubt or something. So it was really great experience with you.
ठीक है. ठीक है अमन, congratulations. Once again, it's a wonderful score, I would say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, Aman, I'll see you around.